All right. Good evening, guys. Good evening. I almost said good morning. There you go. There's my music. I hope that's good enough. Cool. All right. Check, check. Everybody ready? Check, check. Everybody ready? All right, guys. Let's hit it. We got 5 more subs in a day. That's pretty cool. Yep, Ashish. We had a solid session this morning. At the Asian session, we had a lot of new people join us. It was awesome. Let's go. I left all the markings from Asian session because you can see exactly what was marked and called out happened. So I'm just leaving that there for you all to see. And probably like take a couple of notes. Alright. It looks real good. Today we're gonna dominate. Okay, I just need to change this subscriber goal count. Number goal because we're now at 37. Alright. If anyone watching isn't subscribed, please do subscribe and give us a like. That would really help us boost it. Alright. Today is actually some pretty simple work. Let's see what we can get out of today. This is a previous daily highway broken, previous daily lows down here. All right. Over here we trade GJ, GU, gold, GA, that's pound Australian, Euro New Zealand. Yep, that's about what we trade. But I do look into Euro USD and Euro JPY a few times. Yep. Good evening, Ashish. Like I said, this happened this morning. We got some new subscribers this morning because we had a pretty good Asian session this morning. Anyone who's watching it, give us a hi in the chat, give us a hi in the comment. Mm. Before we start our breakdown, yep. Ashish, just click on the live button here. So if you click on the live button, you'd come up to speed because I'm seeing your comment come in really late. So I think maybe you're lagging over there. $350. This was an important level, 350. Alright, if there's anyone new, drop us a hi in the comments. Be more than happy to have a chat with y'all. Tell me what y'all are looking for. If y'all are traders, tell me what you're looking for. We can see how we can go about it. We had a few new subscribers. Let's see. Wait. Okay, 1 second. That's awesome. So I got the alert boxes set up. Should be pretty fun. Let's Alright. I'm just waiting for a few of the guys to link up on Discord. Yo, what's up? 1 second, can't hear you. Say something?
Hello.
Okay, your volume is soft.
What? How is that?
1 second.
Man, don't tell me.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Granddad still here.
It's chill, it's chill. All right, I'm back.
Oh,
I was talking on mute all this time.
oh
All right.
wow.
So, like I was saying, looking at our analysis from the previous from Asian session, I called out cells below this level. Once we broke, what did I do? Broke below, continued down. GBP USD called out cells below this level. What did I do? Break below and continue down. Gold didn't call anything, just took one L in the morning. Yeah, potential buys on GBP AED. What did it do? It broke above and went pushed about 30 pips. Yeah, 25 pips. And then what else happened? Euro New Zealand, I didn't call anything because it's just not nice. It's just dirty. So looking at it, it should be a pretty solid session. Hopefully we have some kind of volume kicking in. Um, yeah, we have a good trading day overall. Let's see how it goes. 940. Let's see. We're gonna do a analysis and readjust our zones and key areas. So yeah. Okay. All right. So watching this 3-hour level on GBP AUD, cleaning the chart up on Euro New Zealand again. Daily high we've broken already, so pointless. Previous daily low is right here, so let's see how we react now. We are a key psychological level on Euro and New Zealand here. Alright, GBP USD. Again, gotta clear the charts a lot. Just gonna do some fresh analysis. Yo, Nathan.
Oh, he's muted.
Alright. Yeah, she's thank you. I was talking for so long with myself muted on YouTube, so yeah. Anyway. Doing some fresh analysis. So
Yo,
what up, what up?
what up?
What's up, Nathan? Long time no see.
Yeah, no? Man's been grinding. At least that's what I hope. But yeah. Anyway, so Prani, remember I told you how like this week I'm expecting you to take your trades.
Yeah, man.
So I want you to focus on your setups. Yeah. One second, just talking to another trader right now, getting him in. Guys, if you'll just enter the stream, do put a comment down on what you're looking for, what pairs you trade. Gypsy, this morning we got 4 new subs, yo.
That's crazy. Yeah, I was there.
Yeah, oh yeah, you were there. Some reason I felt like it was after you went.
No, GA is too messy, man.
Mm. I'll show you what I'm looking for on GA also before we start. Like you also should try looking into GA. Right now I'm gonna redo the stuff for all the time frames actually. Except for this, everything can go. Alright, so I think let's go GA first since it's really dirty. So firstly what we want to see on GA is, oh, one second, that's the weekly high. We got the previous daily high which we conveniently broke but didn't continue pushing. We're at this resistance level, right, 220 on the 4-hour time frame. So we're at 220 right over there. We've rejected multiple times, so I would say this level is a key level of resistance. And then going down the time frame to the 1 hour, you can confirm that, right? So just by looking at it, so let's just readjust this resistance. It's at around 240. Yeah, sharp 240, which is nice. 250 and 230. Okay. Alright, so we got a solid GA resistance right over there. So now we're seeing all this dirty mess, right? We're seeing this dirty range and we want to find a trade on this, right?
Yep.
So what we need to do is go to a time frame which isn't dirty. To us, we have a small support right here, 940, 3 hours, same support maintained. You see that? So now what am I looking for? Okay, so 940, wait, let me just mark the zone out. 950 to about 930. We work in those zones, right? So we have these 3 zones that are over there. This 3R, if it closes like this below this level, we would have created this. So you see it, high, low, high, low. So what we're looking to do is make a low in order to retest this low. So it'll be a low, high, low, low in order to retest this low. So that's what I'd personally be looking for, depending on the 3R. So as we see these confirmations, we'd confirm it on the lower time frame. So we see the GBP AUD breaking down now below this level.
Don't understand where it gets that volume, man.
Yeah. So if you are looking at how you could have got into this trade, look at this. Okay, so we had this bearish move down.
Yeah.
We had a support form, and then we had this 30-minute go right up and get rejected real solid, right?
Alright.
So what happened clearly was this is the high, this became the low high, right? And
Yeah.
what did this candle indicate? Massive rejection, right? So when we go down the time frame, you can see massive rejection as we are coming down, forming these lower highs. You could have anticipated once it broke this level to continue down. You see, you're taking it based on the higher time frames, because at that point we have respected the previous 4-hour high and we are starting to break below, continue below. Or you could have actually anticipated entries right over here. You see that? Once we started breaking that low again, that was an easy entry. Right there, the 3-hour low. So when the 3-hour candle started breaking this low, it would have been pretty peaceful for you at that point. So the thing is, you need to keep looking and searching for where you can keep improving your understanding of the market. So right now, what I'd say is okay, so you see this bullish move?
Yeah.
1 second. So you see this bullish market structure forming, right?
Yeah.
So the only way we could expect a bearish move now is by breaking this market structure. So what I'd want to see, break this, retest this, and continue. So the other thing we could also expect is come here, here, right, to continue that bearish leg. Wait, so let me just make that a little more neater. So what we're gonna see is a break of this trend line, right?
Yeah.
Retest the trend, the bearish trend line, in order to continue down. It's not about the trend line; it's about the trend. You get what I mean?
Yeah. Got it.
So that's what I'd personally be looking for. I'd expect it to come to this level and possibly reject it. If it begins to break this low, then we can get some really good sells down to this level. So that's what I'd be expecting on GA. GJ is a savage, honestly. It's been beating me up for the past few days. And yeah, so we broke the top, right, which meant like we had this massive bullish move in order to continue up. But guess what GJ decided to do? Nope. And it started breaking the lows and coming down. So this is where we need to now analyze what is happening. So we need to see what happened in this area previously. Okay, you see those markings I just made, and now just one marking right across. Now when I delete the previous ones, you see what I mean? So
Yeah.
what should we have waited for? A 4-hour close above this level, because this is a major key 4-hour zone. So why did this trade not work out? Clearly because the 4-hour candles have, this is a massive 4-hour rejection zone. So clearly in this region we should have waited for a 4-hour close above this region. So 375 is definitely an important zone right now in this area. But as we go down, so now we continue going down to find out, different key levels we could possibly look at. So 375 was important. Yeah, so now I'm gonna readjust this to 380 just to get a full number, so I can draw a nice zone around it. So 390 to 370 would be my zone. Okay, so now what do we see happening in 380 and 390? Okay, so in order to see this 4-hour big rejection, right, what did we have to see? Okay, so we have to see what happened in this candle, right? So going down to the 1-hour, We came up, we broke above, right? We were supposed to continue. We came and closed below. What does that signify? Came and closed back below the range. Johnny?
Yeah, dude, I'm here. I'm just marking mine also simultaneously.
Okay. We broke above and the next
Yeah.
candle closed back below into the range. What does that signify?
One thing is that level is super strong. We got rejected super hard. A small fake out also was created.
Yep. It signifies a fake out. Right?
Yes.
So that's what we need to notice, that this was a fake out. And so keeping this in mind, when price closed back in the range, we could have anticipated these moves, right?
Made sells, yeah.
Only because what happened every time price went up to this region?
Got rejected super hard and came back down.
Exactly. So previously we broke below, tried to go back up. Guess what? Nope, came back down. Faked out, came back down to this level again. Somehow we broke above, continued, retested, broke below. Once we broke below, what happened? We sold out like maybe 300 pips or something, or 80 pips, coming all the way down, 120 pips. So you see what's been happening continuously in this area.
Yep.
So we should have been more cautious in this area, looking for deeper pulls and stuff like that, but it's fine. So we saw what we were looking for, and now we're able to analyze why that didn't work out for us. Okay, so now we're gonna look for another key level or a key area where we could look for
Right.
some.
GJ is just pushing.
Yeah, GJ is just tanking right now. The last two
Nah.
4-hour candles is just like 60 pips. So now coming down to these levels.
Damn it, I wanted to get into this one, but it's pushing like that, man.
Yeah.
Oh, GU, never mind. Hitting the targeted levels only.
Yep. Trust me, our analysis is on point. What we need to work on is execution. Right? We need to, if your analysis is good but your execution is bad, we are still bad.
True that.
So yeah.
Okay, GJ, just go to the latest candle.
Yeah.
Okay, we see the. Okay. You see that bullish candle?
Yeah.
Yeah, so how would you anticipate getting in there on the break of the low wick?
Yeah, on the break of the low wick. So you
Alright.
take it on the 1 hour, right?
Yeah, got it.
Break of the low. Depending on what your stops would possibly be. That'll be too big. 20 pips.
Sorted.
If it's on the 30 minute,
So there's no new
13
also.
pip, yeah. Trust me, I told you, this year is in a very different year for trading. Trading in general, yeah. Alright, so 680 is an important zone. Price has reacted to, the candles show also that price has reacted to this many times. So what we're gonna look for is
680, you can make it psychological 700, right?
yeah, but again, you see these supports.
Got it, alright.
Yeah, if I make it 700, it'll be up here, and
Got
these would just become fake outs. So yeah. So if I go lower to the 15 minute, it'll come even lower, like probably 670. But yeah, so I wanted to cross all candle wicks and important zones and everything.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, 680 makes a good zone for, so like when you look back also, 680, you see this respected 680 on the dot. This one faked out on the dot of 680. And it's happened 2-3 times ever since, so. But yeah, with GJ pushing like this, it's gonna be very hard. So anyway.
Already at 680, this thing. Yeah, it's broken 680. I mean, where is it getting that much volume?
Let's just quickly take a look. We never know what's happening around the world. 1 hour 6 minutes ago, Boris Johnson hails new dawn as UK and Australia agree to free trade deal. Yeah, but that shouldn't have impacted it at all. So yeah, we'll have to check out what's happening right there. This is Japanese yen volume coming in. GBP is losing strength, so yeah. Okay, let's see. Man, if it just keeps tanking like that, then we literally don't have any idea. But as seen in this area, liquidity moves.
No impulse entries also.
Yeah, liquid move.
Because it's already moved so much.
Yeah, some of these trades you can't predict, yo. Some of these moves you can't predict. You just have to wait for your setup. Just look at that. Honestly, the only thing I would have attempted was this. Break of this low to continue down. Right from up here. I called those cells right in the morning. It would have been so perfect had we been in there. But yeah. One second. You know who I haven't seen in a long time?
Who? Who?
One second.
Oh, okay.
Sean.
Sean.
Shawnee. Alright, so GBP USD looks like it's just GBP JPY just looks like it's gonna fill this range to come down to the 4-hour support.
No entries at all.
No entries at all, so no point attempting to enter also. There'll be fear of missing out. FOMO. So what we can do is mark these levels and get ready. If we are to see GJ continue up, it would be from these levels. Yeah. So if we create a support here and then break it during the session, we can take some solid buys sells down. Alright, so that's what we're looking for right now. GBP USD, man. So we broke the weekly low and we continue to go down. You see what it did? It made everyone believe that this was a support, and it respected the support when it broke the top, and it just smoked everyone who was in it. So yeah, all these things you got to keep in mind. On the 4-hour time frame, this is the support.
What about GA?
Pardon, GA, Nathan.
Yeah.
Here, same thing. So what you're noticing that all pound pairs are falling. GBP,
Yeah.
USD, GA. So that means there's something has happened to the GBP pair. The GBP currency that has made it fall on all currency pairs over there. Okay, so GA, the break of this low we should have anticipated. But honestly, it's the ending of this 3-hour candle in 30 minutes. So I don't think we could have got an entry over there. So the 2 hours are just disrespected. Broke the lows and continued down. So if you look at it, there was literally no entry except for GU, which gave us a slight wick. The rest of it didn't give any wicks at all. No wicks. It just did what it wanted to do. GBP USD is still pushing. So it could push right here to this 400 level. So what we could anticipate, what we could have anticipated. Yeah, the only way we could have caught this was on impulse. And yeah, impulse wouldn't have been pretty either way, so yeah. Alright, so now we're coming into this daily support, right? Support region. So we're just gonna mark this area off. So if we start seeing rejections from this zone, we're gonna start taking buys again, GBP. But remember what I told you yesterday, Prani, that I'm really expecting the US dollar and the Great British Pound to start picking up, because our super currencies can't be negative for so long.
That also.
So even if bad things are happening in those places, they're gonna give out good news because they want the economies to recover. And so 190, so 200 is our resistance over here. So change, you kind of got an idea of how to draw supports and resistances, right? From watching me draw it again and again.
Yeah. But you determining that is based on the previous.
Yeah, previous price action.
Thing.
So the reason I put this here is because can you see this level? Right over here. You see it how it's rejected this area, that means it's a key area. So when I go to the higher time frames, I'm able to see more confirmation. Can you see the rejection of this area? So when I go to the 4-hour time frame, I see it really clearly. Price just bounced off this area and continued.
Yeah.
So that's what it's all about. So you keep looking at previous price action and determining it. So what I look at over here, price came into this region, rejected this area and came back down. So how can I refine this area? So I've drawn it at 200. How can I refine it? I keep going lower to see the way price action formed. So now I see it came up to there. So So you see how you could have anticipated this rejection?
Yeah, because of its
Nice.
Your voice got cut off, change. 7 pip, 76 pip. 1:10 risk to reward.
That is there.
Yeah. But you have to be this kind of trader to trade that. And remember, when you're trading this, like if you are trading it off the rejection, you'd be seeing this as a candle has broken all the tops, the 4 hour. Only thing you could anticipate is the break of the 3 hour low. 20 pips to continue down. Could have gotten on this candle, Prani.
Which one? Oh, yeah.
Sharp 10 pips with breathing room. Even to come down here would have been fine. 35 pips, 30 pips. That would have been bonus 60 pips. The analysis was right. The execution is what had to be worked on. Even just now we could have got into this move based on this bearish engulfing candle. You see that?
Yeah.
Bearish engulfing. 30 pips straight up. Okay, gold did move. Gold spot USD. And so yeah, so I started looking at a few new pairs. That's Euro USD and Euro JPY. Took a buy this morning from about 280 up there. Took out about 10 pips and I left it to run and got stopped out. So that was able to cover some of the loss from the morning. Otherwise, yeah, right now I'm in minus 3 pips for the day. So yeah, shouldn't be much to make it break even. But yeah, gotta be careful now. Alright, so as we look at this, alright, what did price do previously in this region? Alright, so we need a really solid support to form over here. Make a really strong rejection over here in order to break up and continue. And if we do break up, I'm gonna take some long-term trades to continue pushing up. So what we need to happen here is consolidation.
Yeah.
Build it up really strong. One resistance and then one bullish engulfing candle and boom, straight up. Same thing what you see over here. Went up and down for many days. You know, created all this consolidation. Can you see this? Create all this consolidation, and then if we go to the 1 hour, one big strong bullish candle, 30 pip candle, and boom, 45 pip drop. that could go. GBP AUD has come down to support right now.
Time frame are you on?
I'm moving from 1 hour down to the 30-minute. So Prani, you see how you could have anticipated this?
Yep.
This massive bearish candle coming down and
Yep.
50 pips down. So the thing is, the only way you can get better at this is by if you keep trying this method of trading. Hmm. Alright. So could we anticipate a drop on Euro JPY also? So a paper trade. So you see massive rejection from the top. This is happening a second time. This daily candle broke the previous daily candle and dropped all the way down. This candle broke the previous daily candle and has the potential to continue all the way down. As of now on the 30-minute, it's broken the 30-minute support. 15-minute support is still there, which is good. 340. Honestly, I'm gonna use 330 because there are a lot of candle wicks going through 330. So Gypsy, what are you looking for today?
Oh, sorry, I was muted. Okay, so since these major moves have already happened, I would expect, the correction, something like that. But again, it needs to consolidate for a while.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. I feel that the trade is already done for today. Let's see what happens at New York
Yep.
Open.
I like that thought process. For me, probably some Euro New Zealand sells if we do get a good push down. But that'll depend on how we close, whether we close back in this range. So a lot of factors to it. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, GBP AD is at the support. GBP USD also is at the support. They're all teasing to continue pushing down, but they're not pushing down. So now we will be able to draw the support for GJ depending on how it's closing right now. Mm. Dun, 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 dun. Doo-doo-doo. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. It's a 50-minute closes above this level. Should be good to go. GBP USD is beginning to push down now on the half now. GBP JPY pushing down. Break of this low should continue further. Wow.
About to happen. What to do?
Yeah.
Man, could have got in on that, but yeah.
Yeah. It's a learning experience.
Yeah.
So as you're watching these things, you understand it more and more.
If you go back to the lower resistance of the previous,
Yeah. Right here.
this is what GJ,
Yeah. Which one are you talking about?
like the previous lower resistance, I mean
Here?
support. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, so we could have gotten over here, but so you have to measure your risk. So if you were to get into this, you would firstly get into it only on the 1 hour because even the 1 hour doesn't have a top wick. So you'll understand this change. So when it doesn't have a top wick, that means it has no range to move, okay? And so when it doesn't have a top wick in the beginning of the candle, you'd expect it to make a low wick and then the top wick. So whichever side it opens out and begins to make the wick, right? If it begins to make the low wick first, you'd expect it to go back and make the top wick. So when this would have been coming down, you would have expected it to continue to make a top wick and then probably continue down. But what this did was it didn't make a top wick, it just continued down. So there's no way of telling anything about this candle.
Yeah.
This one is just pushing. What we could have anticipated over here was right over here. So we had the support. We've tested it 3 times. Right? And what happened was price closed below the support. Right? Symbolizing that it wasn't stuck in that range anymore. Could have taken a trade right there. And put your targets down here. You see that? Because there you actually know, because the candle closed outside there. So that's a
Yeah.
breakout pattern basically. happens is price consolidates and then it breaks out. So over here, this is a fake out pattern where people would have thought this was a breakout, where even I got caught in this in the morning because we were so bullish moving up. So we all thought it was gonna go up, but then it faked us out. Next 30 minutes just came and closed below. So is there any news coming out? Okay, so what could have set that off is this. So there's this dude that's speaking, right? So there's some kind of positivity or negativity to whatever is going to come out. So that's what could have set this off. Maybe the news from the UK isn't that good right now. So wait, let's just check news. 2 vaccine doses highly affected. So highly affected in reducing Delta variant hospitalization, UK analysis. You see how this vaccine news can affect it? Because if more people are able to get healed, the economy is able to open up. That's basically how fundamentals work. So yeah, so just concentrating on what you have to do. Honestly, I don't see much happening today, but yeah. So we broke the previous daily low on GBP AUD. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. The crazy drop, 50 pip drop. Coin USD. Interesting. If you had to buy Bitcoin at the dip, you'd be up like 10 grand. 10k pips. So change, you see what happened with Bitcoin also over here. So if I go down to the lower time frame, let me just look, recharge here and put it here. So you see what happened right over here. the last time it came down here, what did price do? The cells came in and it shot back up, right? So the second time when we came into this region, what do we do? The exact same thing. Came in here, shot back up. That's how cryptos and everything function. You need a demand zone. You need to come into a demand zone, and this is a demand zone for BTC. So yeah, well, we need to be careful of this zone. Every time it's come up here, it's gone back down. You have to be precise. So Gypsy, you see how Bitcoin and all work?
Yeah, man.
The
Same market
yeah,
futures and all it follows.
investors come in, investors come in. Price action overall works the same. So yeah, overall price action is pretty good. I wanna see price create some form of support and then break it.
On?
Any
On
of the
all.
pairs.
But I feel the move is already done. The supports are too close now.
Yeah, from this support to the next support is very close. Yeah. We could have anticipated this Euro New Zealand buy. Yeah, we could have anticipated this easy.
Any trades yet?
Nope. Right now, nothing. I see nothing. Today we might close up early because there's not much happening.
You know, it's supposed to happen already happened.
Yeah, it
Dude,
just
no
randomly
news.
tanked.
Uh,
What?
A random tank, that's what. No news also.
Okay, so I'll tell you what happened, okay?
Okay.
So look right here, okay? Right here,
Alright.
we have this support, okay? You can do this on both the pairs. So I'm doing this on GBP USD. So we have this major support where previously where investors came in, we were able to push it so far, right? We were able to push it so far back to these regions where a majority of the investors got out, okay? A lot of the investors got out at this region. That's why the sellers were able to get in and push it back down, right? So what happened was a small group of investors were over here, tried to push it back up. More sellers, so like let's say 2. So right over here, let's just say there were 2 of them, okay? 2, and the 2 were able to push it back down the same way. So one more set of investors got in over here, right? But got rejected over here, alright?
Yeah.
By 2 more, one more, by one more set of sellers, okay? So what happened? It came back to the original point where the investors got in, okay? What happened? One more set of investors tried to get in. So these investors are trying again, okay? Half of them are trying again. The other half were already taken out over here. You see that?
Yeah.
This one was taken out over here. So right now this is gone, okay? So right now we are 3 sellers inbound and 3 buyers inbound, okay? So since there's equal power, the buyers are able to push it back up. The sellers added another one. Okay, the sellers try to come down. It didn't come back to the investors, right, where they usually invest. And when it came back here, another set of sellers came in. All right. So you see the difference right now, the variation. So now there are 5 sellers and only 3 buyers. So when we came down to this region, people saw that there was not enough confidence to push beyond this, right, and reject off this level. So knowing that confidence, they would have to have another set of investors altogether come in. So seeing the confidence is dying out, the sellers just took control, loaded more positions to take out these. So you see these small guys over here?
Yeah.
They tried to come in. So guess what? The big bank added one more guy to take this guy out, and we just crashed. So totally the ratio becomes 6:3 basically. So you see why they lose the battle over here?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. So it's all about understanding what is going on. So they didn't particularly need news for that move to happen. All that they needed was for another set of sellers to enter. And guess what happened? Investor confidence in the US dollar bounced back in. They came back in and they took them out. They were already leading the race, the sellers. They were waiting for the buyers to slowly, the few buyers that were in here, right? Guys that got in over here, cancel. Once we broke, all got cancelled. So what happens? We sold down real fast. One small group of timid people try to get in. What did the sellers do? Added another lot, got down. So that's basically it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Got it.
So that's why, like I told you, right, some of those long-term trades we can take based off these levels, these key levels where we see a lot of rejections. So like over here, so you see a lot of rejections.
Yep.
The buyers got in solid, like over here they got in solid, here they got in solid, but here they got in solid. But look at how many times the sellers get in. It's all re-entries. So as compared to the buyers, you see how many more times the sellers are able to get in.
Yeah, got it.
So that's basically it. Change, were you able to understand that? Changey.
Man down.
I tell you, man, seriously don't.
Hello?
Yo, did you get that?
Yeah. Yes.
So that's the same thing. So this works a lot when we're coming to like certain important levels. Like, so if we look at the weekly and everything, why did we sell out so harsh? Just look to your left. We are at a weekly take profit area in the past, right?
Yeah.
So that's why we're selling out right now. So what happened was these buyers kept trying to get in. What happened was the sellers were able to push them below this level, right? So more sellers. Once we broke this level, we're just tumbling down. So now what we're gonna have to watch out and see is these investors over here that were able to push them up so far, will they re-enter over here?
Alright.
Yeah. So that'll be an important thing to watch out for. Why is Happy Birthday to You playing, man? What is it is some
That time of year.
some jazz version of it is playing. 1 second. It's called Happy Birthday Samba.
Remix. Let's go. Remix. Dropping
lol.
it hard today.
Oh, we're going all out right now.
GJ's broken topic on 30 minutes.
Yeah, so now we need to see. So what happened yesterday was we had this massive sellout, and then we had this massive buyers move up, right? So we need to see if we get this. You see this consolidation that happened. These
Yep.
three candles and one bullish engulfing candle. So if we get a really nice consolidation to happen and one nice bullish candle, I think the probability would be a really nice paper trade. So looking at the way the 30-minute is closing, if it closes back above this level, we're still in this range. We'd be in this range, right? So that would be a nice trade to take actually. So we'd be in that range. So yeah, if we're able to pull that off, that would be good.
Okay, GJ is going back up.
Yeah, if it just continues, it is what it is.
No entries, man.
No entries. GJ is not giving. All pound pairs are not giving us any entries whatsoever.
5 minutes there's an empty, but it's a 5 minute, man.
Yeah, 5 minutes is just uncertain, man.
Ugh.
Let's see GA.
FOMO is the real thing, dude. Oh my god.
Oh, trust me, FOMO is very real. So yeah, I'm gonna do the FTMO challenge soon. This FTMO challenge has like because it's like I was doing the trial, right, for the FTMO. It really like pushed me to keep taking more and more trades. So like that's where I'm just like I need to chill out, I just need to take a breather. So that's why today I was just like, I'm not gonna take any more trades for today. This looks too tempting.
No.
I'll take
Dude.
it. Yeah.
Based on 5 minutes.
I'm taking it on FTMO account, so I'm not risking anything. So you have to decide. Like I said, this week I wanted to be your analysis. If is it this 50-minute candle closing below this to re-enter this range? What is it for you? So you decide what it is for you. Journal it really nicely and neatly, because that's what will give you confidence in the future. Change. Like I said, is there any, like, I want you to really help us with understanding, like, you like luxury products, right? And so when you look at luxury products, like, I know few traders who buy a lot of watches, okay? And their watches legit go up in value. One dude is like, now he's sitting on a watch which is worth more than 15 grand more than he bought it. And that's 15 grand USD. I don't even know the name of that brand. Like, that's how, like, into watches and all they are.
Yeah.
So it's like, I don't know, it's some A and P or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, let me just check.
Brand.
Huh?
The brand.
Yeah, the brand. Wait, let's see. I don't know, but they buy some mad watches. If GJ closes back in the range like this, it looks real good to continue moving up. But yeah, for me, like, I'm just gonna be taking trades which, like, don't have much implication on me. This Euro New Zealand move is looking good. It's looking real good. Those who can hear my trading terminal, just remember I'm taking it on an FTMO trial, so it's you shouldn't follow what I'm saying unless it falls in your train of thought and your trading plan. So Prani, what's your thought process?
Might be aching looking at this.
880 is support. So let's mark that 890, 870. So if we go to 30-minute time frame, if we do close below that, we should be able to continue. Broken the 2 hourly lows. All we have to do is break the 1 hourly low. Oh, this trade looks really good. I think I'm gonna take it for legit, because this falls under my trade plan. This is a setup I would take any day, right? Support formed, we're rejecting this resistance. We formed a key support. We're breaking that support, we're re-entering this range. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a smaller position than I normally would and see how this pans out. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Two minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. No pressure. Follow your trading plan. Don't over risk. Use your correct lot size. Make sure it falls under your trade. If this trade doesn't work out, I'm not going to be calling out any more trades for a few weeks. I'm going to take a break and I'm going to go to Goa.
Sure, you will.
I want one of those small projectors in my room, dude.
What?
Huh?
For what?
Just for the fun of it.
Ah,
To be honest, I've been thinking about it.
Yeah. Came to my mind also, but again, pointless.
Yeah, it's completely pointless.
Yeah,
It's the most pointless thing you could want, but yeah.
Unless you're watching movies or something, which you don't do.
Nah.
Yeah, I don't know. But I want to like make it rain in my room for no reason.
Projector, those
Yeah.
I like how we're all influenced by.
It's just like
I'll take the sunset, please.
yeah. Tiny projector.
I'll come look at it, but I don't want anything.
Hey, just 3,800 bucks, Prani. Come on.
Go buy it then.
You can do it, Prani. Come on.
I don't want to.
Don't be a party pooper. It's like a
But-
60-inch TV. Come on. You can't go wrong with a 60-inch TV.
Why do people buy 60-inch TVs then? Just buy this.
That's true. They didn't know this hack. That's why.
Yeah. Instagram gave us that life hack.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh, damn. I'm not gonna say anything. If I'm in, I'm in. If I'm not, I'm not. Okay. Hmm. Don't listen to the YouTube sounds because you'll hear if I am entering or not.
Lol.
Regardless of which, I'll still tell you the outcome. So what do we notice from this? Okay, let's see whether we can give ourselves the confluences. We just broke the 1 hour low. We're rejecting this resistance at this psychological level of what 1.7 flat. We formed a support, we broke that support. We formed another support on the 50-minute time frame, we broke that support too. So yeah, so if price goes back and closes in this range, then of course we can identify with this as a fake out. But if price does continue, we're looking at a steep drop. Yeah, we could even look for a drop all the way down here. If you want more confluences to take this trade, that's if it's in your plan, of course. Wait for it to close with below this into the range. Let's drop, man. Come on. I mean, not that I know if I'm in this trade or not. So yeah. Gold,
Send it.
massive wick, pushing up. Oh, JPY is pushing up. On what basis?
Bruh, I don't know all this, man. I can't. I'm just gonna close all this. Can't do this. Even
Don't take a trade. Just watch it.
No.
What's
Come
your
on,
hand?
Pranav. Take one for the team.
say no. Hell no.
Take 1 L for the team, bro.
Hey, you never know.
I remember Kevin used
Who
to.
else make one W? So,
Yeah. So I have this one friend change. He used to trade with us before. He sees price going down, he'll sell it. As soon as that same price is going back up, he'll buy it. We're like, dude, you need to calm down.
Oh, they were like,
he's not a day trader. He's a minute trader.
Oh
he's
yeah,
a-
he's a trader. Ooh, do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. So waiting for Euro New Zealand to close below this range. Okay, anyway, so to focus on the more important things in life, this 60-inch TV is really cool. Look at that, Pranab. You can connect
Look,
your
see,
headphones.
even projects. It even projects on the ceiling.
Oh, damn. But the girl doesn't come with it, so don't get excited.
Are you doing this on YouTube?
Yo, this is just banter, yo.
This one is not good, man. These guys, in Joe's house, they bought it. It's not good.
This one.
Yeah, this one's not good.
I
They bought
thought Pranav was rapping for some.
Listen, you are lagging. Shut up.
You went all freaking Travis Scott mode.
Or you had got a auto tune or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, clearly lag.
Wow, just look at. Never mind.
No, don't look at it.
Stop it. Do 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 do. Oh, okay. Anyway, going back to tiny project. This is bad.
Yeah, it's not good quality.
Of course, it's 4,000 rupees, but yeah.
No, how can you tell that? It's NX, XTT, NK, YG 300 mini portable.
It
So,
says.
buy
Of course, it's good quality.
It says high resolution. I don't believe you. It
Yeah.
has, and can you?
And-
It has 1 star. Stop it.
buy it and
And the name itself says LED projector. Come on, it has to be good.
Yeah.
buy it and let me know.
Look, you can use it in barbecue parties.
Alright. Now that is the must buy.
It's a must buy. Needed to use in dark environment. Very nice. Wait, let's just go to projectors in general. Guys, if anyone's watching us, there's not much to do on the screen, so we're just like messing around, just chilling.
So you lose subscribers.
But I want to try out that Galaxy projector thingy.
Go low, go for it.
That looks sick, dude.
The Galaxy phone.
No, the one with the stars and all. Not stars.
Oh,
It's like
yeah, the whole galaxy. I get you now.
yeah.
Hey, it's showing up again.
This is a different brand. Boost.
Oh, damn, they're copying each other. Let's go, Euro New Zealand. Let's go, Ian.
Not
Come on.
bad.
Just when I get happy now, the next scanner is just gonna shoot right back up. It's gonna like blow the resistance and everything. Very nice. Look, gold went up to retest this level twice. That's just sad. Straight up rejections. Straight up rejections. Alright guys, welcome to DC Trading and Company's live stream. What happened to my pip counter? Okay. There you go. Okay, let's keep pushing. As soon as it hits my first TP, I'll tell you all where I took the entry. Oh wait, that means I took an entry. Never mind. 8 for 7. Screw it. Anyway, now it's just managing risk. So I'll tell you where I took the entry. It's right there. Based on that 15-minute break. Wait, let me just mark it properly. Seven pips up. 51. So right there. Breaking this low. Why? Because that's breaking the 3-hour low. See that? Breaking the 1-hour low. So that's why. Let's see if we can hit our target of 46 pips in this session. Or will it go straight back to entry and stop me out? I'm not taking any L's, so I'm just gonna keep it at break even. Dun, 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 dun. So the question is, can we get the first TP or not? Then after that we will go to the second question. So we could literally just reject this area to the left and continue back up. Until then we got 6 pip stops. Two minutes. This should continue down easily. But as we know, nothing ever happens easily on this channel, so yeah. Alright, GBP, JPY, GBP, USD, everything decided to continue back up, which we're all very happy for. And yeah, 7 pips, so they moved 10.8 pips, okay. Fair enough, gold is giving us some straight up rejections from the top. So down to the 5-minute time frame. We do determine 63, close below 63 and we should tank. Prani, what time are you going to the shop?
Yeah, 2 minutes again.
So,
Oh, let's see, I might go a little late again
mm,
to apply for them jobs.
them jobs. This, I saw something come on the ERP today.
Yeah, that's they're asking for too much, man.
What are they asking for though?
70%.
Oh,
Yeah.
as in result.
Yep.
Oh man, come on, they know we had a lockdown, right?
70%.
Hey,
Hey, overall we should have 70%.
you have 70% for sure.
Yeah, change. You have change.
Prani, you don't
I
have?
have. You also have.
I don't have.
Ah, then I'm not even
What
gonna
was
check.
the
We
What was the?
we help others to a treasure we cannot possess.
Yeah, especially change. How much we helped him.
What like?
Change, stop it. How much we helped you.
Your graduation is ours, okay? Shut up.
Man takes all the help and then he's saying all this. Next time we will torture him. Oh wait, there'll never be a next time, never mind.
No.
Revive him, that's all.
No revive Sochi.
Your camera is gone, dude.
What?
Yeah, it's been gone for a while. I thought.
What you
Oh
shy?
man. Listen,
Yeah, it's
switch
working.
on your camera.
I disconnected mine, man. How many times should I have to tell you?
Why would you disconnect your camera?
I don't want it to be connected. Simple as that. Now shut up.
Okay, we are go disconnect your TV or something.
That I don't even touch.
Hey, no, disconnect your PC.
I'm using it now.
I want to know what happened.
Listen, you just unplug your laptop. No.
No, actually, if I
man.
unplug, it'll run for a while. But yeah.
Yeah, this is a very important conversation. Oh man, so we could have taken it on the retest, but yeah, that's not the vibe, so we're not gonna do that. GBP, JPY, GBP, USD both rejected various zones. GBP, USD rejected that zone. GBP, JPY is now in a really nice range, but we have no trade entries. We've got no trade entry. GBP, AUD again. If this like has to give us a trade entry, but it's so messy to the left, like towards this side. This is clean traffic, but this is so messy, so I don't know. Like I said, I've drawn over here. I wanted to reject this zone, come here, retest this, and once I start seeing sells, I will take it all day long. Once I start seeing those sells. So anyone who's new to the stream right now, guys, let me know what pairs you trade. Let me know if you took a trade today, and if you aren't subscribed, please do subscribe. Yeah, we're gonna call it a day in a few minutes anyway. All pairs are being dun, 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 dun,
Lol,
dun.
it's an alcohol company.
What is an alcohol company?
The latest placement thingy.
What is this? Oh yeah, they're just what do you call the middlemen for all of them.
Ah,
Interesting. Why do you know
Yeah.
that, Prani?
70%. Because I went and checked out the job description.
Very nice.
Right.
well, that would be a good explanation to the family.
All dads will be super happy.
Lol.
Lol.
Friends will come behind you, bro. Discount, bro. That's kind of imbeciles. Double the price for them. So.
Dun 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 dun.
Bro.
Don't all these designer companies have like
Like
stocks to trade in?
Yep.
they should.
But I don't find them.
1 second, because you would have clicked O and R, right? So 1 second.
Probably, yeah.
So 1 second, I'll show it to you. I'll show you how to do that. 1 second. dun, 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 dun. You know what a Finsta is?
Nope.
It's a funny Insta.
Hey, bro.
No.
Uh,
So you mean some of their normal Instagrams?
yeah.
Okay, give me a minute. Be right back.
Yep. Basically, right. Why isn't this happening? Come on. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Guys, I think it's time.
What is it time for?
Let's leave my schools.
Yes. Alright lads, if you all aren't subscribed already, please do like and subscribe, and we shall see you all tomorrow. Don't forget, we'll be live for the Asian session. This morning we had a really good Asian session. So yeah, do join us for the Asian session. And yeah, don't overtrade, don't over risk. See you all tomorrow. GG's and good night.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.